the tiny vegetables that can change your health forever. Are you ready to unlock a nutritional powerhouse hidden in plain sight? Prepare to be amazed by the world of tiny vegetables and their potential to revolutionize your health. Tiny vegetables, also known as microgreens or baby vegetables, are experiencing a surge in popularity. These miniature versions of familiar vegetables are harvested at an early stage of growth. Their appeal lies in their concentrated flavor and impressive nutritional density. They offer a convenient and exciting way to boost your daily intake of essential vitamins and minerals. These aren't just smaller versions of mature vegetables. They are typically harvested within 7 to 21 days of germination. This early harvest captures the plant at its peak nutritional value. Common examples include microgreens like radish, broccoli, and pea shoots, as well as baby carrots and spinach. Tiny vegetables pack a serious nutritional punch. Studies have shown that microgreens, for example, can contain significantly higher levels of vitamins and antioxidants compared to their mature counterparts. This concentrated nutrition can contribute to improved immune function, reduced inflammation, and enhanced overall well-being. They are a simple way to supercharge your diet. Incorporating tiny vegetables into your diet can lead to a range of health benefits. The high antioxidant content helps protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Their rich vitamin and mineral profile supports healthy growth and development. They can also contribute to improved digestion and gut health due to their fiber content. While both offer nutritional value, tiny vegetables often surpass their mature counterparts in certain areas. Microgreens, in particular, boast higher concentrations of vitamin C, E, and K. This difference is attributed to the plant's focus on nutrient production during its early growth stages. However, mature vegetables still provide valuable fiber and other essential nutrients. Growing your own tiny vegetables is surprisingly easy and rewarding. You don't need a large garden. A simple tray or container will suffice. Use high-quality seeds and a well-draining growing medium. Provide adequate light and moisture, and you'll be harvesting your own nutritious greens in no time. There are countless ways to enjoy tiny vegetables. Add them to salads, sandwiches, and wraps for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Use them as a garnish for soups and entrees. Blend them into smoothies for a nutrient boost. The possibilities are endless. While generally safe, it's important to take certain precautions. Ensure you source your seeds from reputable suppliers to avoid contamination. Thoroughly wash your tiny vegetables before consumption to remove any dirt or debris. If you have allergies, introduce new varieties gradually to monitor for any reactions. The future looks bright for tiny vegetables. As research continues to uncover their potential health benefits, their popularity is likely to soar. They offer a sustainable and accessible way to improve nutrition and promote overall well-being. Expect to see them featured more prominently in restaurants, grocery stores, and home gardens. Tiny vegetables are more than just a food trend. They are a nutritional powerhouse with the potential to transform your health. From boosting your immune system to protecting against chronic diseases, these miniature greens offer a wealth of benefits. Ready to experience the tiny revolution? Start incorporating these nutrient-rich vegetables into your daily diet and unlock a world of health and vitality. Don't wait, your journey to a healthier you starts now. Subscribe to our channel for more health tips and recipes. And share this video with your friends and family to spread the word about the amazing benefits of tiny vegetables.